Hi, this is Brad Smith, CEO of Barker Marketing, and I hope you can join us on September 15th at 1 p.m. Eastern for a great presentation on growing your pediatric practice. We're going to share some tips and best practices that we've employed for our clients in the healthcare space. And we're going to focus these specifically on pediatric practices, where we'll walk through how to use digital marketing to grow your practice. We're going to talk about turning your website into a resource that families will engage with. We're doing this for practices, and we've seen upwards of 80% increases in overall page views. We'll walk you through the steps that you can take to do the same. We're going to talk about using social media to help deepen the relationships with existing patients and families and create new patients and families. We've seen 78 to 80 to 100% increases in overall users visiting a practice's website, and we'll show you how to do that. We'll walk through why patient reviews are so vitally important to the health of your practice, and we'll walk through a strategy to proactively create those reviews for your practice. As you can see in this example, we've helped practices gain over 1,000 patient reviews in a very short amount of time. We're going to talk through how to repurpose these on social media and how to get that content in front of the right people and drive more referrals for your practice. Finally, we're going to talk about using search engine optimization to create better search rank, stronger website conversions, and drive more patients. We've seen page views in this instance go up 58%. We'll present a case study on how they did that and how you can do that for your practice to attract more patients. And finally, how can we drive more people to request appointments? We've seen a dramatic increase in weekly appointments of 71% just by employing a lot of the strategies that we'll talk about in this free webinar. So if you're ready to grow your practice, visit barker.com, barqar.com. Give us a buzz, 888-576-6100, and be sure to join us September 15th at 1 p.m. Eastern for a great free webinar that will walk you through how to market your practice.